Think saving $1,000 in 30 days is a stretch? Think again. Follow my proven steps to easily save $1,000 in just 30 days. You won't believe how simple it is. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay to the end to receive a bonus tip. Imagine this. You have an extra $1,000. What would you do? Start an emergency fund, pay off debt, start investing? It's all possible. You can achieve financial freedom. It starts with a single step. Take the $1,000 savings challenge. Transform your finances in just 30 days. Are you ready? Let's do this. This challenge is simple. Save $1,000 in 30 days. It's about making small changes. It's about building good habits. We'll guide you every step of the way. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Let's get started. Now let's break it down. Imagine having an extra $1,000 in your pocket. What would you do with it? Would you start an emergency fund? Would you pay off some lingering debt that's been stressing you out? Maybe you'd start investing to grow your wealth, or perhaps, the possibilities are endless, and it all starts with a single step towards financial freedom. Financial freedom is not just a distant dream, it's a goal that you can achieve. It begins with making small, manageable changes to your daily habits. That's where the $1,000 savings challenge comes in. This challenge is designed to help you save $1,000 in just 30 days. It might sound daunting, but with the right mindset and a little bit of discipline, it's entirely possible. The first step is to commit to the challenge. Take a jar and label it $1,000 Savings Challenge. This will be your visual reminder of your goal. Next, pick a month you would like to start the challenge. Create a budget, look at your current spending habits. Are there areas where you can cut back even just a little? Maybe it's skipping that daily coffee run or cooking at home instead of dining out. These small changes can add up quickly. As you start to see your jar filling up with money, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and motivation to keep going. It's not just about saving money, it's about building good financial habits that will benefit you in the long run. And you don't have to do it alone. We'll be here to guide you every step of the way, offering tips and encouragement to help you stay on track. By the end of the 30 days, you'll be amazed at what you've achieved. Not only will you have an extra $1,000, but you'll also have a newfound sense of financial discipline and confidence. So, are you ready to take the $1,000 savings challenge? Let's get started and transform your finances together. The first step is easy. Cut unnecessary expenses. Take a good look at your spending habits and identify where your money is going. Are there subscriptions or memberships you rarely use? Are you buying things on impulse? Cutting these out can make a significant difference. You work hard for your money. Don't waste it. Every dollar you save can be put towards something more meaningful, like a vacation, a new gadget, or even an emergency fund. It's all about making smarter choices with your hard-earned cash. Start with your daily coffee. Brew it at home and save big. A cup of coffee from a cafe can cost you upwards of $5. Brewing at home can bring that cost down to mere cents per cup. Over a month, this small change can save you a substantial amount. Packing your lunch is another great option. Not only is it healthier, but it also saves you the money you'd spend on eating out. Think about it. A homemade sandwich and some fruit can cost a fraction of a restaurant meal. Restaurant meals can drain your wallet. Dining out frequently can add up quickly. By cooking at home, you control the ingredients and the cost, leading to healthier and more budget-friendly meals. Next, ditch those subscriptions you don't use. Whether it's a magazine you never read or a streaming service you rarely watch, these small monthly fees can add up over time. Canceling them can free up money for more important things. Gym memberships, streaming services, monthly boxes, cancel them. If you're not using them regularly, they're just draining your finances. Look for free or cheaper alternatives like home workouts or free streaming services. Negotiate lower rates on your bills. Many service providers are willing to offer discounts or better rates if you simply ask. It might take a bit of time and effort, but the savings can be well worth it. Call your cable company, internet provider, and insurance. These companies often have promotions or discounts that you might not be aware of. By negotiating, you can lower your monthly expenses significantly. Ask for a better deal. Don't be afraid to shop around and compare prices. Loyalty doesn't always pay off, and switching providers can sometimes lead to better rates and services. You might be surprised at how much you can save. Small changes in your daily habits can lead to big savings over time. By being mindful of your spending and making conscious choices, you can slash your expenses and save big. Saving is important. It's the foundation of financial security. By setting aside a portion of your income regularly, you build a safety net for unexpected expenses and future goals. But saving alone might not be enough to achieve your dreams. But increasing your income is powerful. It opens up new opportunities and accelerates your financial growth. Imagine having extra funds to invest, pay off debt faster, or simply enjoy life more. Look for ways to make extra cash. The digital age has made it easier than ever to find side gigs and freelance work. From online tutoring to virtual assistant jobs, the possibilities are endless. A side hustle is a great option. It allows you to leverage your skills and passions to generate additional income. Plus, it can be done on your own time, giving you flexibility and control over your schedule. Drive for a ride-sharing service. Deliver food or groceries. These gigs are perfect for those who enjoy driving and meeting new people. They offer a steady stream of income and can be done part-time or full-time. Turn your hobbies into income. If you love crafting, baking, or any other creative activity, why not monetize it? There's a market for handmade and unique items, and people are willing to pay for quality and creativity. Sell crafts online or at local markets. Every little bit helps. Platforms like Etsy and local craft fairs are great places to showcase your work and reach potential customers. Sell gently used items online or at a consignment shop. Have a yard sale. Turn clutter into cash. Decluttering not only frees up space in your home but also puts money back in your pocket. Ask for a raise at work. Highlight your accomplishments. Show your value. Prepare a list of your achievements and contributions to the company. Be confident and assertive in your request. You deserve to be compensated fairly. Remember, your skills and hard work are valuable. Don't be afraid to negotiate for better pay or seek new opportunities that offer the compensation you deserve. Managing your money wisely is key. Create a budget and stick to it. Track your spending. Know where your money is going. Set financial goals. Having a target will keep you motivated. Start an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Consider a high-yield savings account. Your money will earn more interest. Avoid impulse purchases. Think before you buy. Do you really need it? Make saving automatic. Set up regular transfers to your savings account. Today is the day. Start by tracking your expenses. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. Remember, every dollar counts, so be honest with yourself. Where does your money go? Identify areas where you can cut back. Remember, small changes add up. You don't have to make drastic changes overnight. Start small and build momentum. Celebrate your progress. Every dollar saved is a step towards your goal. You've got this. It's been a week. How are you doing? Are you noticing any spending patterns? This week, focus on conquering your cravings. Those impulse buys can sabotage your savings, you know. Wait 24 hours before making a purchase. If you still want it after 24 hours, consider if it fits into your budget. Find free or low-cost alternatives to your favorite activities. Go for a hike instead of shopping. Have a picnic in the park instead of eating out. Get creative. 2 weeks down, 2 to go. This week, explore side hustle opportunities. What skills or talents can you monetize? Can you offer freelance services? Do you enjoy crafting or baking? Turn your passion into profit? Research different side hustle options. Find one that fits your schedule and interests. Set realistic income goals. Remember, every dollar earned is a dollar closer to your $1,000 goal. Keep pushing. You're doing great. This week, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Choose an amount that works for you. Even $10 or $20 per week adds up. Out of sight, out of mind. You won't even miss the money once it's automatically transferred. Consider rounding up your purchases. Many banks offer this feature. Spare change adds up over time. Keep it up. Almost there. Take some time to celebrate your progress. Look how far you've come. You're building healthy financial habits. You're taking control of your money. Reward yourself for your hard work, but don't blow your budget. Choose a small, affordable reward. Enjoy a movie night at home. Treat yourself to a coffee date with a friend. Stay motivated. The finish line is in sight. Congratulations! You've completed the $1,000 savings challenge. You're a financial rock star. Celebrate your accomplishment. You've proven that you can achieve your goals. But this is just the beginning. Use this momentum to keep building your financial future. Set new goals, pay off debt, start investing. The possibilities are endless. Are you ready to take control of your finances? Join the $1,000 Savings Challenge today. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. Imagine the possibilities with an extra $1,000 in your pocket. You can do this. We believe in you. Start your journey to financial freedom today. Take the challenge and see the difference it makes in your life. What are you waiting for? Let's do this. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. Imagine ending this month $1,000 richer. Sounds good, right? Here's the secret. Start the $1,000 Savings Challenge. Here's the kicker. Tell no one. Keeping it to yourself makes you more likely to stick to your goal. Stealth mode activated. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos.